complete set of SYNTEC's or Mitsubishi's dedicated engraving system to control high-speed, high-precision, high-quality machining control functions, which controls and optimizes the acceleration and deceleration characteristics of each axis and significantly shortens the production cycle. In addition, suppresses mechanical vibration even if high-speed machining is conducted. Compared with a CNC engraving and milling machine on the market, it can improve the machining precision when the machining time is same, and it can shorten the machining time when the machining precision is same. Roller guide is used for guide rail to effectively control the stability and rigidity of the machine tool. CNC engraving and milling machine is equipped with air conditioning oil cooler, and the machine tool has built-in automatic cutting machine. This machine adopts the structural improvement of the existing machine tool on the market. It is different from the existing machine tool and adopts the gantry type body, which effectively improves the precision of the machine tool.